Hello children, welcome to AIMS India's online classes. This is biology session. You are watching chemical coordination in animals, assessment 2. So we have been discussing the questions which are repeated in the previous contests. Let us continue. The endocrine gland which contributes to setting the body's biological clock is the pituitary gland, thymus gland, pineal gland, thyroid gland. It is the pineal gland, biological clock. The hormone responsible for fight and flight response is adrenaline, thyroxine, ADH, that is antidiuretic hormone, oxytocin. It is the adrenaline. Okay. Emergency hormone it is also called. Which of the following is the function of adrenaline? Helps in gastric juice secretion, increases the heartbeat and blood pressure, increases the blood calcium, helps in milk secretion. It increases the heartbeat and blood pressure. Which one of the following condition is resulted from excess growth hormone in adults? Cushing's disease, acromegaly, hyperthyroidism, diabetes mellitus. It is a acromegaly, gorilla face. Which one of the followings is the primary target organ of aldosterone? Kidney, pancreas, liver, both pancreas and liver. It is the kidney. Okay, primary target organ. Which one of the following pairs is incorrectly matched? So this is analytical approach type question. Insulin, diabetes mellitus disease, glucagon, beta cells, somatotropin, somatostatin, delta cells source, corpus luteum, relaxin secretion. We have to select the incorrectly matched. So only 1, only 2, only 3, only 4. Which is? It is the insulin, diabetes mellitus. It is correct. Glucagon. This is also correct. Somatostatin, delta cells, correct. Okay, it is the corpus luteum which produce relaxin is wrong. Okay, corpus luteum produce progesterone. So incorrect one we have to select. Which of the following pairs is mismatched? Which of the following pairs is mismatched? Antidiuretic hormone, kidneys, luteinizing hormone, mammary glands, prolactin, mammary glands, adrenocorticotropic hormone, adrenal cortex. So here also we have to select mismatched one. So luteinizing hormone, mammary glands is wrong. Remaining okay, antidiuretic hormone, that is vasopressin, acts on kidneys. Then prolactin, mammary glands, okay. Adrenocorticotropin acts on adrenal cortex, stimulates. Okay, this is wrong. So only 2. Next, the nerve centers which control the body temperature and the urge for eating and eating are contained in thalamus, hypothalamus, pons, cerebellum. It is hypothalamus. Which one of the following is the correct matching of the events occurring during menstrual cycle? Menstruation, breakdown of myometrium and ovum not fertilized, ovulation, the luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone attained peak levels and sharp fall in the secretion of progesterone, proliferative phase, rapid regeneration of myometrium and the maturation of Graafian follicle, development of corpus luteum, secretory phase and increased secretion of progesterone. Okay, here we have to select the correct matching. Okay, so these are this is wrong and this is also wrong, this is also wrong. Only development of corpus luteum, the secretory phase and increase the secretion of progesterone is correct. Next, which of the following is a coordinator in nervous system? Muscle, hormone, neuron, brain. Which of the following is the coordinator? That is brain. Okay, label the parts A, B, C and D and show the direction of flow of electrical signals in the following figure. Actually chemical coordination we are discussing, so this question from nervous coordination, so no problem. Let us see here. We have to label A, B, C and D. Okay, A, sensory neuron. Yes, A is the sensory neuron. B, spinal cord. Yes, this is the spinal cord. It is a reflex action figure. Next, C, motor neuron. Absolutely correct. Then D, here muscle of the hand is given, effector. Yes. Okay, A is correct sequence. Sensory neuron carries the information that the hand touched the hot object, then that information is analyzed by the spinal cord and the response is generated. That response is carried by motor neuron to the effector organ, so immediately we remove the hand. So this is the reflex action. Okay, so label the endocrine gland in the given figure. Here A, B, C, D, we have to identify, label the endocrine glands in this figure. A, pineal gland. Yes, correct. B, pituitary. Yes, beneath the brain, pituitary, it is also correct. Then C, thyroid gland. Absolutely correct. Then D, thymus, nearby the heart, it is also correct. So once again option A. Okay, next label the parts once again. Parts of neuron in the given figure, A, B, C, D. So A, dendrites. B, cyton. C, axon. This part, entire part is called axon. D, axon terminals. Okay, so here option C is correct. Dash hormone involved in biological clock and seasonal activities: insulin, melatonin, oxytocin and the last one is thyroxine. Okay, it is the melatonin which is involved in the biological clock. Dash hormone increase available energy, heartbeat, metabolism. melatonin, oxytocin, epinephrine, thyroxine. Dash hormone, okay, it is the increase available energy, heartbeat, it is epinephrine, okay. Dash hormone increase reabsorption of water by kidney, ACTH, ADH, parathormone, glucagon. ACTH means adrenocorticotropic hormone, ADH means antidiuretic hormone, it is also called vasopressin. So here ADH. The pancreas produces dash when your blood sugar level is high. GH means growth hormone, ADH means antidiuretic hormone or vasopressin, then glucagon, insulin. Here when blood sugar level is high means insulin, okay. Insulin regulates the sugar level in the blood. Hormone that promotes growth of uterine lining, progesterone, estrogen, luteinizing hormone, follicle stimulating hormone. It is progesterone produced by the corpus luteum, helps in pregnancy maintaining. The hormone that stimulates the production of white blood cells in to fight against the diseases, thymosin, thyroxine, epinephrine, glucagon. It is thymosin. Thymosin is the hormone produced by thymus gland, which stimulates the production of WBC. The pineal gland produces thymosin, melatonin, estrogen, insulin. The pineal gland produces melatonin, okay. Which gland produces aldosterone, sex hormones, and epinephrine, norepinephrine? Anterior pituitary, posterior pituitary, pancreas, adrenal. Dash causes milk production, oxytocin, progesterone, prolactin, LH, luteinizing hormone, prolactin. The endocrine system helps to maintain a stable environment in a process known as peristalsis, homeostasis, metabolism, respiration. Homeostasis, it is also called feedback mechanism, okay. The hormone oxytocin is produced by the dash, but it is stored in the posterior lobe of pituitary gland, thyroid gland, hypothalamus, adrenal gland, thalamus. It is the hypothalamus which produces the oxytocin and stored in the posterior lobe of pituitary gland. Luteinizing hormone targets the adrenal gland, pituitary gland, ovaries only, ovaries and testes. So luteinizing hormone acts on both ovaries and testes. This luteinizing hormone is produced by pituitary, which influences the gonads. Adrenocorticotropic hormone is produced by the dash and targets the dash. It is produced by the pituitary and targets the adrenal gland, okay. So which is the correct option? The first option. Follicle stimulating hormone is responsible for production of milk, production of sperm, release of eggs by the ovaries, response in an emergency. It is the release of eggs by the ovaries, FSH, whereas LH or ICSH, interstitial cell stimulating hormone, stimulates the testes to produce the testosterone hormone, okay. So here release of eggs by the ovaries is under the influence of FSH, follicle stimulating hormone. The condition that occurs when an adult continues to produce growth hormone is acromegaly, diabetes, dwarfism, hypoglycemia. It is acromegaly. The dash gland is a butterfly shaped gland located in the neck, adrenal, thyroid, thymus, pineal. It is the thyroid gland which is butterfly shaped. The dash gland surround the thyroid gland, pineal, pituitary, thymus, parathyroid. thyroid. Next, the dash gland is triangular in shape and sits at top of the kidney. Adrenal, thyroid, pineal, thymus. Adrenal. Norepinephrine and epinephrine are produced by the dash hypothalamus, adrenal glands, thalamus, pineal gland. It is adrenal glands. Thyroxine and calcitonin are produced by the dash gland. Adrenal, thymus, thyroid, pituitary. It is the thyroid. The hormone produced by the thyroid gland that regulates calcium levels is calcitonin, thyroxine, triiodothyroxine, norepinephrine. It is a calcitonin. The yellow tadpole shaped organ, the yellow tadpole shaped organ that produces insulin is the stomach, spleen, pancreas, hypothalamus. It is the pancreas. The pancreas is a yellow color gland. It is located below the stomach. Okay. It acts as both exocrine and endocrine gland. What is the endocrine part of pancreas? Islets of Langerhans. The alpha cells and beta cells are present, which secrete insulin and glucagon. The condition that occurs when the body does not produce enough insulin is anemia, diabetes, polyglycemia, cardiac arrest. Diabetes. Which diabetes? Diabetes mellitus. Okay, there are two types of diabetes. Diabetes insipidus, that is due to insufficient secretion of vasopressin or ADH, whereas diabetes mellitus is due to insufficient secretion of insulin. Okay, children. The hormone produced by dash gland regulate oxygen consumption and the rate of metabolism, that is thyroxine. Okay, hope you followed. These are only the few questions which are discussed here, but there are many questions are there. If you read the content thoroughly, any question you can answer. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates.